Okay, so you guys can see, the neighbor has no gutters. All the water is mainly coming from the neighbor's side. You can see. I mean, that's in there. Right here by the fence, everything's flooding. And this, not even raining that hard. This whole area is saturated with water. You see what's happening here is the downspouts are dropping the water. And it's trying to keep up. Here's when you need an open French drain. Look at that water up against the house. All the water's up against the house. They definitely gonna need a French drain. Okay, Wednesday, October 9th. What time is it? It is 2:43. Hurricane's supposed to start coming through tonight, but it's been raining all day, constant. I just want to show you guys, the rain has let down a little bit. By the time I get to this property, every time the rain lets down, you see everything is clear. No smushy yard. Everything is in its place. Open this gate up. Look at this. Everything's still. It's a French drain. Open French drain. We're protecting the whole property. These clients used to be up at 3 in the morning cleaning up water. They still put the sandbags just in case. We're collecting all the water through the French drain, through the basins. Like I said, there's a whole French drain right through here. See the fabric? Basins, collecting water. This area right here, we will show you, it used to be flooded with water. Look at how dry it is. And it's been raining all day. It's moving water. See water going to the front. Look at all the water going down to there. French drain, man, these basins are awesome. Of course, some areas are still going to be a little wet, but I mean, this whole area used to be drenched. You can see all the water. See the water moving right through there. Perfectly fine to the front. Look at all those risers. Yeah, this project, we had to use a lot of risers on this project. Look at the water coming down. French drain, downspout drain, and surface drain combo. No problem. Look at that lid open up by itself, allowing all the water out. Yeah, I could close it. I'll close it. It'll open by itself. No issues. All the water runs down to the street. thing here. I can close it. Gravity fed. All the water runs right through here. Comes right out here. We installed this system, honestly, I don't even remember, probably a year ago. I mean, look at how everything is still. Water's moving through the French drain. Let's see if I can get the camera in there again. See water coming in with no issues. Look at all those risers. That's how deep we are here. Open French drain, waterproofing right along the foundation. We have basins here too. Dry. And it's raining. It's been raining all day. Anyone who lives in Florida knows that. This is closer to the Kissimmee area. We run through Claremont, Kissimmee, Longwood, Sanford, Maitland. I mean, it's big. Florida's big. We can't go everywhere, but we take care of you. Look at that. You want some good sod? A1A quality sod. Everything's running good. And these things open everything up. As we get more water, it'll allow everything to flow out. This is a big area that used to flood too. How you doing? This area used to flood. I mean, crazy. We'll try to put it in this video so you can see how it used to be. From the neighbor's side, you can see. I mean, that's in there. Right here by the fence, everything's flooding. And there's we have a French drain through here. Plus you can see the water going right in there with no issue, right under the dirt. See the sod is dripping down right from the bottom with no issue. I can open the lid up. All the water is running down. You see water just going down. These guys that are telling you they can take care of things and do something, selling you dreams. I'm not here, I don't have time to sell dreams. Let me open this up. Look at the debris, the roof shingle gravel down at the bottom. Look at all that roof shingle gravel. We'll get this cleaned up afterwards. Look at that. If you thought it was overwhelmed and full, beautiful. You can hold debris. Most of that water right now is coming from the downspouts. See how water's just going in too from here. Right in there. With no issues. You can see the trail of the water going right through. That's that open French drain all around the perimeter of the property. No more flooding. Waterproofing the works. We can speed this up. As soon as it rains hard, this thing will run water crazy.